The Shelter Ministry is an initiative in Hawaii to provide solutions to people in need by helping them transition out of homelessness. On August 26, we were allowed to set up one of our domes in front of the state capitol as to garner public interest in collaborating with legislative programs that can benefit from using these domes.
Well, my impression is that it's inexpensive, easy to put up. I think the state should be looking much more positively, intentionally into putting these around.
So I think it's important that they have the services that will be needed to transition them eventually out of this shelter into more permanent housing. I think will be nice.
Alaska to watch these guys put this up today, and to meet the mayor yesterday at the Multi-Faith Conference. It was a real honor to meet Mayor Kim. He was a passionate speaker about wanting to help the homeless here on the island. What you see behind me here is called an inner shelter dome. It's as mobile and portable as a tent, goes up as fast as a tent, as you can see behind me. Yesterday it went up in an hour and 20 minutes. Once it's up, it'll take a 200-mile-an-hour wind and a 30-foot snow load. They're basically, once they're completely up and anchored, they're indestructible. There's a lot of uses on the islands. You know, glamping is a very big, booming industry. We have resorts from the South Pole to Thailand, the South Pacific. We're doing a big military operation down in Kwajalein Island. They're all over Alaska for hunting and fishing lodges, both private and commercial. We're in all 7 of Parks Canada Arctic parks along the Arctic Ocean. They're bear-proof. You're not allowed to carry guns in Canada. I know you don't have bear problems in Hawaii, but in northern Canada, when you got a polar bear wants to have you for lunch, it's a big deal. We've had many articles in the papers in Honolulu and here, and a lot of interviews like this on ABC, CBS, NBC. A single unit retail, I mean, if somebody just wanted to put it in their backyard for their son or their mother-in-law or whatever, they run about $12,000 for a unit like this with 2 windows and a door. This one is 320 square feet on the floor, but because you got a 12-foot ceiling and it's all usable in there, it's 1,290 cubic feet of usable space. So you can put kitchens, bathrooms, sleeping lofts, living areas, dining areas. You'll see when it's up, you'll walk in and you'll be stunned at how big it is. Is this the total answer? No. But can we make a difference here? I guarantee you that any family that has an opportunity to live in this as opposed to a tarp will be blessed, and they will thank whoever it is that helps them get into it.
Purchase your dome through Prepare Now TV and get up to $500 off the manufacturer's listed price. Order yours now.